are getting a personal invitation to come out to the farm today. Joining us with Farm Fresh to You is Thaddeus. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
This looks like heaven to me.
This is spring.
This is spring.
Strawberries,
Okay.
rainbow carrots, lettuce, and the last of kale. And you see our kale's starting to bolt. So that's a fancy farmer term for going to seed.
Bolt.
Bolt.
Okay.
Because it looks like a kale plant and then it shoots this flower up. And so we have to pick as much as we can before they all go to seed. So it looks like we're harvesting it for the last time this week and next week. And people who come out to the farm tour get to go into the field and harvest as much as they can.
Ah, I see your MO.
Yes.
You want people to go to work on your farm.
Please,
okay.
Come. Glean our kale
What's this really
field.
quick?
This is fennel.
Fennel.
So it grows like this and it smells like licorice. Smell it?
Oh, yeah.
And you cut it off. You don't eat the fronds, they're just pretty. You cut them really thinly. You could roast them or put them in an orange salad.
Wow. Kale, I love kale, but a lot of people may be a bit put off what to do with it.
Yeah.
So there are all kinds of ways. I like to put it in my salad. I also like to cook it up, maybe in a stir fry, but you're going to show kale chips.
This is a fun thing. So kale's our most improved player, we say, for our home delivery boxes, which come to people's homes. People didn't know what to do with kale until we started delivering it to them. And then they always tell me, Thaddeus, I love this kale. It's the best we've ever had.
Whenever you show up on people's doorsteps, do they always ask you, what is this? What do I do with it?
So we always try to keep a couple new things in the box, and then we include in our newsletter recipes on how to do things with the weird stuff. And so we expand people's understanding of how to do vegetables. But this is a fun kale recipe. You take the stems out.
And there's different types of kale. So this kind
is lacinato.
Lacinato
Also
kale.
called dino kale.
Dino kale, yeah.
So I put a little bit of olive oil on there. And then we're gonna put some pepper. And some salt.
Is that sea salt?
Just regular salt. You can use sea salt. Nothing wrong with sea salt. Mix it up. And you want to put enough oil so that you have a little bit of oil on all the leaves, but not so much that you're just eating olive oil, right? You've got to stay kind of healthy. And then you have the oven going at 250, 300. You put it on the plate, on the pan like this, spread it out. You put that in the oven for 10 minutes until it's kind of crusty.
How many degrees?
300.
300, okay.
250, 300. And then you just keep an eye on it, and it comes out looking like this.
Now, this plate used to be really full, just to note to our viewers, but I have been eating it because it's so good. This is packed with nutrients,
Packed with nutrients, all kinds of vitamins. It's healthy stuff. And if you have a family, you should get your kids eating this young because then they get good eating habits. And like me, I thought I was cursed growing up on a farm. I never had any good food to eat. My mom said, go out in the cooler, there's food everywhere. But now I have really good eating habits, so thanks, Mom.
All right, let's get our viewers out to the farm today. Farm Fresh to You Farm Tour, taking place from 11 to 2 in KCRA. So beautiful out there, especially this time of year. Just head to 23800 State Highway 16. The event is $12 for adults, and guess what? For the kids, 12 and under, it is free. Thaddeus with Farm Fresh to You. Thanks so much for being with us today.
Thanks for having me.
I'm going to go have breakfast.
Good,
Finish up this plate. Stay with us. Sports is next.